Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Prevost Royal Class Motorhome is expected to be the pinnacle of luxury and engineering in the recreational vehicle market. Constructed on the prestigious Prevost chassis, which is well known for its sturdy construction and comfortable ride, the Royal Class version takes the idea of mobile luxury to new heights. This car is more than just a means of transportation. It is a finely constructed mobile home, made for affluent people who want the highest level of comfort, custom design, and technology. The 2026 Prevost Royal Class Motorhome's exterior is distinguished by its sophisticated and imposing appearance. Its hefty frame features sleek, aerodynamic lines that flow naturally, frequently with sophisticated integrated lighting systems and unique paint jobs. Large panoramic windows provide passengers with unmatched views of the surroundings, and well-thought-out storage spaces blend in perfectly with the vehicle's underbelly to guarantee both functionality and aesthetic coherence. Usually, the entrance has a large, electrically operated door that gives away the opulent furnishings inside. It feels like entering a five-star penthouse suite when you step inside the 2026 Prevost Royal Class Motorhome. Every feature in the interior was carefully chosen and placed, demonstrating the bespoke craftsmanship. Every surface is embellished with high-end materials including luxurious fabrics, exotic hardwoods, and soft Italian leather. A large living space with comfortable seating, a gourmet kitchen with top-notch appliances, and a master suite that rivals the best hotel rooms are all common features of the usually extremely configurable plan. High-end fixtures and rainfall showers are spa-like features found in en-suite bathrooms. Incorporating technology into the 2026 Prevost Royal Class Motorhome is crucial. The infrastructure of the car is seamlessly integrated with cutting-edge navigation and communication technologies, smart home automation, and entertainment systems. Multi-zone systems allow for exact climate control, guaranteeing maximum comfort no matter the outside weather. Additionally, energy efficiency is considered, frequently utilizing renewable energy sources and sophisticated power management systems. As a direct result of the advanced Prevost chassis and painstakingly adjusted suspension systems, the 2026 Prevost Royal Class Motorhome offers a smooth and controlled driving experience. On lengthy trips, advanced safety measures and driver assistance technology offer comfort. The ergonomic design of the driver's cockpit includes extensive instrumentation and simple controls. To sum up, the 2026 Prevost Royal Class Motorhome is a mobile masterpiece that epitomizes luxury travel and is more than just a recreational vehicle. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, custom design, and sturdy engineering appeals to individuals looking for an unmatched road trip experience, turning every trip into an exclusive adventure. This RV is a symbol of quality and a commitment to offering the best possible mobile lifestyle.